Bro, this stuff was so disgusting. The return filters for the furnace HVAC unit. Our furnace itself is missing a filter, so we took the grates off, and I am so glad we did. I didn't know I was breathing all that dust and dirt and debris in, like, oh my god. But anyway, we decided now that we're just gonna put the U-channel return filter in the furnace, but since we have these bad boys out, they're getting a nice cleaning. So I'm gonna use this Grow and Grate cleaner, and let's see what this looks like in a couple days.